when I was competing, right? I'm just trying to get back in the gym or back in the octagon or back in the ring. I'm not making the best decision. I'm making a decision that just gets me back to where I can compete, right? And so there's been surgical procedures and stuff that I got. Instead of doing things the right way, I did things the quick way, the easy way to try to get me back to where I could compete. So, you know, the penalty that I'm paying now is that my body is destroyed. You know, I'm bone on bone. It's like stage 4, I guess, arthritis in my right shoulder, my right hip. And so it's just one of those things where I'm like, I'm praying for a miracle. You know, being in a place of hopelessness is just terrible. That's where I was. The process and everything coming down here now, oh my God. Coming here, having the experience that I had last year was amazing. I mean, it was top shelf, it was Kerr, it was, you know, everybody here believes in the technology, they believe in the process, they believe in it, and it's a trickle-down effect. You know, because every person here gives you a little bit more hope. I've seen this before, I've done this, I've seen patients that have been back, it works for them. Part of it was almost like an exploratory mission to come down here going, okay, well, try them, you know, and see if they can do anything. You know, this because it was one where it's like at that point, I just wanted somebody to look at me and go, I can help you. No bullshit, no nothing, I can help you. And I can help you get to a place where you get pain relief, you get mobility back, you can do some of the things you enjoy. And it's like, fuck, that's all I needed, right? And so when I came down here, that was part of what was giving me that hope that this would have an effect and allow me to have an option that I didn't think I had, which is recovery or relief non-surgically. You know, you're taught, you know, like something happens, you go to orthopedic, and orthopedic has the name behind it says surgeon. Right? So their first mode of trying to fix something is operating on it, right? If you do a shoulder replacement, they take your rotator cuff off, subscapula. It's how they place the replacement joint. And the doctor was describing it to me. He's like, yeah, you have to sleep upright for like, you know, a month with your arm like this, can't move. I'm like, I can't do it, man. Yeah. I can't, at this point in my life, I can't do it. And then the amount of pain medication and all that is just, it's not an avenue that I want to travel down. Yeah. Because I've been down that road. Yeah. And it's you know, a lot of people don't return even from, they get surgery and then they get hooked on the pain pills, and it's a process where I go, I've been there, done that. I just don't ever want to be in that place again. You know, this has been such a life-changing experience for me. Not only the people here, just the process and the hope that actually, you know, I might be able to go play golf. I might be able to actually roll around and wrestle with my son. You know, it's like, those are things I took off the table. Like just checking the box, can't golf anymore, can't do this anymore, can't do that. Now I'm on the other side where I'm like, oh man, I want to do this. I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to do this. You know, so it's a total pendulum swing to the other side. Everybody involved here has the same goal and projects the same thing. You know, it's that, hey, listen, we're going to take you on a journey and trust us. And that was last year. That's like, okay, if you need me to trust you, I'm going to give you all my trust, and it's paying off. We got a plan now. We got a plan, and this is what we're going to do. And so the doctor's like, here's what we're gonna do moving forward. We're gonna do this, this, and this, and this. Like seeing the space in my joint and going, I didn't have that before. Like, oh my God. That's why I would have ebb and flows, because I would gain new range of motion and not realize I gain new range of motion. And that's why my hip hurts, because I can move it further than I have in a long time, or my shoulder, right? It's just this, I didn't put it all together until probably about 3 or 4 months ago, where I'm like, that's why I have range of motion that I haven't had. Trust the process of getting something I never even pictured, like stem cells being part of the formula. But if you can give that one, like trust one more person you know, going, hey, I wouldn't be here and I wouldn't be talking to you if it didn't work. I just wouldn't. Hope is so powerful when it's in you.